Hello everyone and welcome back to my Southern Illinois kitchen. Today we're making deviled eggs just in time for the Easter holiday that is coming up. Before we get started cooking, Mala Mouse wanted to get introduced. She is one of half a dozen formerly homeless cats that has found a place to live with us here on the farm. Okay guys, one last piece of business. These beautiful farm fresh eggs from my friend Jessica Dean. They're too hard to peel. So go to the store, buy some eggs that have been sitting on the shelf for a couple weeks. It'll make your life a lot easier. We're going to go ahead and put the eggs into our pot, and then we are going to cover the eggs all the way with water. We're going to put our stove on medium-high heat, put our pan there, and then we're going to add a real healthy shake of baking soda. It'll make the old eggs even easier to peel than they already are. Once that comes to a boil, it's going to boil for 7 minutes. Then we're going to turn off the heat. We're going to take the eggs and we're going to put them in another pan to cool, preferably in the fridge overnight. That also makes them easier to peel the next day. All right, it's time to peel the eggs. Let's give them a nice crack. And we're going to just take that shell right off. I don't know how the weather is where everybody watching this is, but it's so nice here in Southern Illinois. I wanted to step outside and show you. The red buds, they're already in bloom. Can you believe that? We've got the irises that are starting to come up. The lilies are starting to come up. The naked ladies are coming up. The Easter flowers are in bloom. It is absolutely gorgeous here. All right, my eggs are peeled. Fantastic. Look at that. Look at how easy they came off because they're old and we use baking soda. I'm going to clean up and then we're going to cut them up and we're going to get the filling done. Doesn't take a minute. I learned this really cool editing trick where you can do it in double time. So watch me slice these eggs like a ninja. Look how fast I am. It's amazing, right? Okay, then we're going to take the centers, we're going to collect them all, and we're going to put them in a bowl. Again, ninja speed. It's great, right? I'm so fast. All right, take our yolks. We're going to dump them into our bowl where we're going to mix them up with our stuff. I mean our filling ingredients, not our stuff, sorry. Let's mash them up. I can also do this like a ninja. I love this double time thing. You guys have to forgive me. I am new to filmmaking, and all of this stuff is just so interesting to me. I'm using Klaussen pickles because there is no other pickle in the world worth eating, in my opinion. So all I'm going to do is take these slices and I'm going to dice them up and add them to the eggs. For the filling, I'm going to start with 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 1 teaspoon of yellow mustard, and 2 tablespoons of the juice from the pickles. That's going to get me started. I'm going to mix it up and taste it, see how it goes. I'm going to add another teaspoon of mustard, another tablespoon of mayonnaise, a real good healthy shake of black pepper, stir it up, taste it again. Whenever you're making deviled eggs, you've just got to taste it. There is no tried and true recipe. This is the yolk of 6 eggs, so that's what I'm basing this off of. I did a tiny little sprinkle of salt, and that's done. So now we are going to take our, what are they, half egg pieces? I don't know what you'd call them. And we're going to put them on our egg plate. If you don't have an egg plate, man, where you been? This is fancy stuff down here in Southern Illinois. You got to get an egg plate. We're going to grab our filling. I don't pipe because I'm not that fancy. I'm just going to spoon them in. People eat them so fast, there's really no point in making them pretty. I mean, these were literally gone 3 minutes after we finished filming. My friend Jamie and I, we ate the entire plate, and we have no shame. We have no shame about it because these are so good. If you haven't made deviled eggs, please try this recipe. It's really delicious. It's so easy, it's so simple, it's so quick. And that's it, guys. So I'm gonna turn into a thief here. I'm gonna take an egg. It's so good. You can't not eat an egg. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much for coming back. Please like, please comment, please subscribe. Please share these videos with anybody that needs to know. Thanks, guys.